morning, student. My name is Anand Vijay. Today I start the new chapter 5, formulas and function in your computer class 6. Students, we are working on the last video lecture. There are lots of things onto the Excel. We are familiar with the Excel. Today, how we use for the formula and function. What the purpose of formula and function? Basically, formula and function are used for calculation purpose in Excel sheet. We can perform the different kinds of calculation and obtain the output by using formula and function. You can find out what is formula. Formula are user-defined instruction to perform calculation. Whatever we have instruct or defined here, that for the calculation, that is treated as formula. Whereas the functions are the predefined inbuilt formula that can inside the Excel and we can use it. It already defined inside the Excel and it comes with the Excel. How we have performed the formula? Through formula we have performed the different kinds of calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. There are lots of operations we can perform. But how we perform? It can be performed through the cell address, the number which are put there by using arithmetical operator. There are some reference components that are important to perform the formula. At first, student, you have listened and carefully understand. When we use the formula inside the Excel sheet, it is start with the equal sign. Always it is start with the equal sign, and after equal sign we either put the value or define the cell reference, and by using the different arithmetical operator there, and after mention the whole formula, then after that we have pressed the enter key and we obtain the output. So here the main component, that is the reference. Reference is a cell or a range of cell that you want to include inside your calculation. Operator, which kinds of operators are used? That is plus, minus, star mark, that is used for the multiplication. You have seen here the caret sign. It can be obtained the power kind of value. Percentage, dollar sign. There are the different operators that can be used here. Constants are what? Constants are the number or text where that never be changed inside the Excel sheet, and the function that are the predefined formula. Here you can find out there is the example. In example, equal sign is start here. A2 plus B2 multiplied by 5 minus sum E3 colon sign E5. E3 colon sign, that is the range of the cell where E3 is the starting range and E5 is the ending range. The first half of this formula is defined by user. It can be defined by user. A2 plus B2 multiplied by 5. That is typically called formula because it is written by user. And here the second part of this equation, that contains the sum function, that is inbuilt, that is called function because it is also type of formula, but it comes from the Excel side. After all, by pressing enter key we got the output. Here the how we can use the basic formula. There is the example there. You can find out there are the month name and their sales value. Each month have different sales value. And how it is finally calculated, we have obtained the total. What the total sales value from Jan to June, that will be calculated by using the formula, and that formula is defined under the B9, that is the sale address, and here it can be defined by using equal sign B4 plus B5, B6, B7 plus B8 plus B9. And after all we got the output here. Okay, so how we can do the user defined formula in the practical manner? I have already designed Excel. These values are related with your example. We can find here the total value. So how we can find it? I use the equal sign here. At first we define the equal sign, then what the address value of the first one, that is this one, B3. B3 contains the 1000 value. Okay, then you can simply use the plus sign, then 2000 B4, Then again you sign, then you can define here 15,000 that contains the value inside the B5. We can again define here the B5. Just select it, automatically take the cell address. After that we again press the plus sign, then 3000, B6 gradually, then 1900, 3000. After that we can again include the plus sign, then B7, then after that plus sign, then click on 2000, it contains the cell address B8. The whole value are defined and selected here, and finally we click on the enter. After enter key we got the output, that is the 24,900 total expense from total sales from January to June. And whatever the 24,900, that is the output. It can be defined here in the cell. Which kind of formula we have applied, that can be obviously defined in with the output. So student, it is very simple and you can try to do it at home. Thank you and have a good day.